In this video, you will see how to install NLP Server on Azure. We can install NLP Server from the Azure Marketplace. For that, go to the NLP Server page on the Azure Marketplace and click on the Get It Now button. A pop-up opens up that shows a basic description of the application. Next, click on Continue to agree to the terms and privacy statement. You are then navigated to the Azure portal for configuring the deployment settings. You can deploy from a preset configuration or a custom one. Here we will go with a custom configuration. For this, click the Create button to start an Azure deployment wizard. Select the resource group from your existing list or create a new one if necessary. Next, provide a name for the virtual machine. You can also provide the region, availability option, and instance size as per your need or leave it on default values. Next, set the SSH public key source to generate a new key pair. We can also use an existing key pair created earlier. Provide the name for this new key pair. Next, enable the HTTP access to the instance, then continue by clicking the Review plus Create button. Double-check the defined configuration and then proceed to click on the Create button if everything looks good. A pop-up opens up and you are asked to generate a new key pair for the SSH access to the instance. Make sure you download the private key and keep it safe. The entire deployment process will take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, you will see a notification in the top right part of the screen and a shortcut to the new resource that was created. Click on the Go to the Resource button and you will be navigated to the newly created Virtual Machines Overview page. Copy the public IP address of the instance and paste it onto the browser address bar to access the NLP server. It may take a couple of minutes until the application starts. So if the URL is not available, then try again in 1 or 2 minutes. Now you can start using the NLP server on the Azure platform. You have just seen how to install NLP Server on Azure. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to try.